create an educational and learning tools e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just wait for it to load and then you will be able to type in your password. And after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of educational and learning tools. So I'm going to choose the tech products or the tools and parts, or I think I'm going to choose classes and events, but none of these ones fits my niche, so I'm just going to choose other. Then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip the step and then you proceed to your dashboard. So just give it a few seconds to load. And here, this is the dashboard, and as you can see in your right, you have the edit site button and also the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website, where you have the edit site button again, and you have the domains button where you can set up your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section where we have the site items if you want to create products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to create categories for those products, or if you just want to create categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. So, and that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section where you can set your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section where you can see your site traffic reports, site activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, abandoned carts reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just go with summary. And that's it for this section. Let's proceed to the next one, which is marketing section, and it's where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with automated or starting with email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you will just need to click on summary. Then we have the communications section where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section where we have the general settings if you want to set your company name or change your address, your phone number, or your email. As you can see in here, your company name if you want to change it, your address, your email, and your phone number. Then we have the checkout if you want to set your payment processors like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. Then we have the sales taxes if you want to set your taxes, and the units where you can change your language or edit the units that you already have. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. as you can see in here. Click on edit site, and then you will need to give it at least 30 seconds to load. So just be patient with it. As you can see, just a second while we build your site. So here it will not take very much time, and here you have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And styles, the site styles will show up. As you can see here, you choose one of these styles and then you check if it fits your template. Then you proceed to the site's design, but first let's go through the site styles. So this is our store. Let's choose one of these styles. I'm going to choose this one, and then click on hide styles and check if it fits your template. After that, click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site's design, where you can again change the site styles, or you can add an image to be your logo, change colors, change fonts, which I'm going to do. I'm going to change fonts from this one to Comforta, so I'm going to choose Comforta. Then I'm going to make this one 80 pixels and this one 1.30. So I'm going to make it 1.30 like that. And for these ones I'm going to leave it like this. Then click on done, and then I'm going to proceed to changing the shapes of the buttons from pill to rounded, and also from sharp to rounded for images. Then click on done, and here if you want to change these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version. And when you're done, click on done and close this one. Dismiss all, dismiss again. And here if you want to add a new section, page, item or category, and here you have the pages or the sections that you have in your template. You can change them by just click on the one that you want to change, delete it if you want, or change the placement of it, as you can see like this, and so on. And that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.